Hi goddesses, so in this video we are going to be doing my very first tea rinse, and we are going to start with cloves and as well as rosemary, and I picked up 3 cinnamon sticks and also 2 tea bags of peppermint. Here I am going to be doing a pre-poo, and I'm soaking my aloe in water to get rid of the substance, the yellow substance, and I'm going to clean my teapot. The reason that I'm soaking my aloe is because it has a yellow substance that can irritate your scalp. So here I'm boiling my clean teapot, and I'm going in and throwing in the 3 sticks of cinnamon, okay? And then I am adding in 2 tablespoons of cloves. And also I'm going to pick up the cloves that fell and throw them in there. And then I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of rosemary. So from here, I really turn down, my pot even more than that. And I go ahead and put in the 2 tea bags of peppermint. I will let you guys know, I think that was a little too much. So definitely start off with using 1 tea bag. So here I'm going to start with creating my honey in water. So just FYI, if you do not know, water isn't enough for my hair, and also it's just not enough for our hair overall. Putting the honey in water actually adds more nutrients as well as moisturizing your hair. If you just need that extra boost, I definitely recommend putting 2 droplets of honey in your water. So I'm drenching it, and I'm going to start my pre-poo with aloe. So here my hair is soaking wet. I want y'all to really make sure your hair is drenched. And here I'm untwisting my hair. I already put in a little bit of aloe, but I wanted to put in more aloe on this strand. This is what your strand should look like. This is what your hair should look like when you put in the aloe. You can see how the curls are popping, okay? And I'm going to have it overnight in my hair. I kind of wanted to share this insight that I think is going to be really important for anyone that wants to grow your hair. So when it comes to the honey and water that I use in the water bottle that you'll see, having just water in your hair isn't enough to nurture your hair. So I've been doing a lot of research, and even when it comes to drinking water that you drink, if you don't really pay attention to what's on the bottle, the water is dead. And I've learned that drinking water that's alive, which has pH balances, has certain things in the water that brings the water to life. Because when you drink dead water, it actually doesn't really do too much to your body. So that's kind of the same thing when it comes to our hair. When you go to spray water in your hair, that's not enough. So it's important to find some sort of mineral water for you to actually drink, as well as water that you put in your hair, because I know there's mineral spray oil waters. But with that being said, I just put honey in my water, and I could already tell I felt my hair was smoother, as well as way more hydrated than anything. Another thing that I want to mention, moisturizing and hydration are 2 different things. This is my hydration process of using the aloe in my hair, and my curls are defined and popping. I just wanted to share that little insight with you guys, especially if you are someone that's struggling with their hair, or maybe you're not struggling and you just want to get on a certain level with your hair. Definitely apply these pieces of advice, as well as please do your own research. I don't want y'all to just take what I'm saying and not research and educate yourself. I've been doing a lot of research. Do your own research and be oh, okay, it's valid. You know what I mean? First thing in the morning, I'm gonna jump in the shower, shampoo my hair with a hydration shampoo. I'm going to do the tea rinse and leave it in my hair for a good 30 minutes. So here I'm actually not going to leave it in for 30 minutes. I'm going to leave it in for 15 minutes. But I'm just drenching my hair with that spray and getting every part of every strand. So one, I'm going to tell y'all my experience. So when I spritzed it on this side, I had no problems. But then when I spritzed it on this side, it kind of started burning a little bit because of the peppermint that I used. And I was a little scared for a second, but it doesn't burn anymore. I think it was just like maybe I scratched my hair when I was like washing it, really went in and scrubbed my hair with my hands as well as my scalp massager thing. So, but the thing is, it was burning here. So it wasn't like necessarily all on here, it was like burning here too. Maybe I just got a good amount of like peppermint in that spray or whatever. Other than that, it went away. So I'm keeping it in my hair for a good like 15 minutes. I was gonna do 30 minutes, but because this is like my first time, I'm like, you know what? I don't want to overdo it. I'm gonna hop back in the shower, rinse this out, and then put in my conditioner. Then I'm going to style my hair. I'm gonna be going to Universal and we're gonna be staying at like a resort. Definitely want to put my hair away because I'm gonna be getting in water. I'm gonna be moving a lot, sweating, see what my hair feels like once I put the conditioner in after like rinsing out the tea. Hey y'all, so I have washed and conditioned my hair, rinsed out the tea. So I'm gonna give like my full review on how I feel about the tea rinse. I'm gonna be real with y'all. When I put in the tea rinse, I noticed that my hair kind of felt like, I guess it like kind of stripped a little bit. Like it was kind of like feeling dry, but it wasn't dry. I don't know if that makes sense. When I rinsed it out, it was like, I wasn't used to this like feeling. So in the best way to put it, shampoo that like really strips your hair, but not in a way where it's like, it feels like it's breaking. It feels like it's way stronger. I don't know if that makes sense. I'm pretty sure there are shampoos out there that like strip your hair, but it feels strong. One, I want to sit here and say that immediately when I was rinsing it out, I felt my hair strands like super, like it was strong as hell. On top of that, y'all, I barely lost any hair. The shed hair is like a clump. It's like a good clump. Bro, it was like in my hand. Like I was shooketh because I was like, whoa, this tea rinse definitely helps with reduced hair shedding, definitely making my hair stronger. Y'all, I feel like there was like knot and I could not get it out, bro. I could not get it out because it literally, like my hair feels physically like it can battle. Like it's so strong. Genuinely, this is coming from like first time doing this, my experience, you know what I'm saying? And I'm literally shooketh. I'm shocked. And I'm like, this is definitely something that I'm going to be implementing, and not often. If I want to do another tea rinse, now I did put water in my bottle with the tea rinse. So I am going to spritz it throughout like kind of the week to see, being a leave-in conditioner. Left it overnight. So it's potent, you guys. It's really potent. Going to put honey in it so that it will have like moisture. And obviously I diluted it with water. Definitely do that. I think I had about that much left after spraying it in my hair, and see how my hair reacts to that. Because y'all, we're gonna see what my hair is giving a month from now. Seriously, I feel like this is gonna be like an interesting experience, and I might be shooketh and shocked. That being said, I'm about to like do my hair. I'm gonna go to the store and grab some stuff, but definitely stay tuned because I'm going to blow out my hair and see what the results are when it comes to shedding. With that being said, goddesses, definitely check out this video next, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah. Love you. Bye.
Slow as the fans. Take the motion, I've been where they can't be asleep for this moment. That's why they try to correct me, but can't seem to see, so I'm going. I eclipse all them as so I'm golded. I peep how they switch them like notice. My story just as I told it. I showed it, they aim for my head, but I won't. Niggas ain't really